Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here I share practical hacks on how you can enjoy your life, whether it's travel, business, finance, or personal growth without breaking the bank. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on these valuable tips. Now, today we are talking about international stock markets you can invest in right from your phone. Yes, even if you live in Africa, you can own shares in companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Let's dive right into it. Now, before we look into this, you need to understand the international stock markets. When we talk about the international stock markets, we are referring to all the stock exchanges around the world, the places where people buy and sell company shares. And some of the biggest ones include the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ in the United States, the London Stock Exchange in the UK, the Tokyo Stock Exchange in Japan, the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in China, and the Toronto Stock Exchange in Canada. Of course, there are many. I'm just mentioning a few. These are home to the world's biggest companies like Apple, Microsoft, Toyota, and many more. But here is the good news. You no longer have to be in those countries to invest in them. Just with your phone and the right app, you can start investing internationally, even from your couch. So, you see, few years ago, investing in the stock market wasn't as easy as it is now. Yes, in the past, investing in global stocks was something only the rich or professionals could do. You needed a foreign broker, a lot of paperwork, and sometimes thousands of dollars. But technology changed that. Now, there are mobile apps that allow anyone, even beginners, to invest in global markets with just a few dollars. Let's quickly look into this app. The first one is Bamboo. I love Bamboo. A Nigerian-based app that lets you buy and sell US stocks easily. You can invest in companies like Netflix, Google, and Amazon. And it's beginner friendly, transparent, and you can start with as little as $10 while lying down on your couch. The next one is Trove, another great option that gives you access to both US and Nigerian stocks. You can invest in shares, ETFs, and even bonds. It's great for people who want to mix global and local investments. Another one I love is Risevest, perfect for people who don't want to pick stocks themselves. With Risevest, professionals manage your money and spread it across US stocks, real estate, and fixed income assets, helping you grow steadily over time. There are other apps, but these three, I love them. Another app on this list that I'm trying, in fact, I told myself this is the next app I'm going to explore, is known as Chaka. This one gives you access to over 40 international markets. It's fully regulated and allows you to buy shares in companies across Africa, the US, and Asia. The next one is eToro, a global investment app where you can also copy the trades of professional investors. That means if you're new, you can learn by following what experienced traders are doing. All these apps are designed to make global investing simple, secure, and accessible no matter where you live. Now you may ask, why should I invest globally? This is why. First, it gives you diversification. That means your money isn't tied just to one economy. The next one, you get access to fast-growing global companies, especially in tech, healthcare, and renewable energy. Another one is it helps protect your savings from inflation or local currency drops. For example, if your local currency is losing value but your money is invested in US, you're actually protecting and growing your wealth in stronger currencies like the dollar. In short, international investing gives you financial balance and more opportunities. And that's it. You don't have to be on Wall Street to invest like a pro. With apps like Bamboo, Trove, Risevest, and the rest, you can literally own a piece of the global economy right from your smartphone. So instead of just saving your money, make it work for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start investing. I will see you in my next video.